Okay. There are our project ID. India 176 is my ID, and 222 is our principal Kishore sir's ID, and your ID Bangladesh 228036 and 227. Now there is first a slide. This is India Bangladesh tele collaborative program to improve awareness about 7 SDGs among teachers. Now in the second session we know that what is the SDG. Now uh, international experience, India and Bangladesh. We are both teachers. I am from India, we are from Bangladesh. We communicate each other with four skills. We also learn what is the four skill in the next session. Here is the map of India. Here is the map of India. In the map of India, there is also Bangladesh map also there, but the black color, there is a state named Maharashtra. In the Maharashtra, there is also one yellow district. The district name is Nasik. I am from Nasik, and our principal sir, Kishore sir from Jalgaon, just above Nasik district. In the Nasik district, I live in a Kalwan, and I am a primary teacher in a ZP primary school, Balwazar. It is situated at Taluka Surgana, district Nasik. This is very tribal area. Uh, Now project is Eco Training Center. Welcomes all of you. Under the guidance of this program is under the guidance of Eco Training Center Sweden, then District Institute for Education and Training Nasik. This is called DIET. And the third one is Jilla Parishad Jalgaon, Maharashtra, India. This is from Jalgaon district, Nasik district, and Sweden. Now uh, there is the participants. We have 5 participants are there. One is India 176, that is me, Kundandani. Then Bangladesh 228, Zaharana Parveen. Then India 222, Kishore Dekale sir. Then Bangladesh 036, Maksub Ahmad sir. And Bangladesh 227, Dharmea. Oh, I sent PPT in new. This is new PPT. I sent PPT in our WhatsApp group also. Guidelines for program. What is the guidelines of the program? General description. The project consists on a video call meeting of 1.5 hour, 90 minutes each, and they will be conducted 45 minutes in your local language and 45 minutes in English. This is uh, 90 minutes Zoom meeting, 45 minutes first session, 45 minutes second session in every session. But first half is uh, Indian teacher will communicate, I would say, from India, and other 45 minutes Bangladesh teacher. And the next session, Bangladesh was first, and they will first, and I will second. That is the program. We get two Zoom meeting of 40 minutes respectively. We can use English language because um, I and our partner principal Kishore sir did not understand Bangla language, or you did not understand. Our mother tongue is Marathi language. There is lot of language in India. So in Maharashtra also there is lot of Marathi language also there. So we cannot speak in Bangla, but we can speak little bit English, and we understand 100% English. Only speaking problem was there, but we understand 100% English. So we arrange 40 minutes Zoom meeting is there, and two of them at elementary school levels, being the English speakers from India and the local language speaker from Bangladesh. The question of syllabus are designed to be pertinent to teachers, students' real life, but at the same time mimic basic vocabulary and structure that are familiar because they are linked with seven sustainable development goals. Teachers are asked to prepare their instruction beforehand in terms of vocabulary and structure. What you can learn what is mean by SDG in you can search YouTube or you can search net. You understand very well. In the next session, I will also discuss about the this program. Now, what is the objective of this program? To examine of teachers are able to improve their awareness about 7 SDGs as well as language skill, culture knowledge, and increase motivation in foreign language. Okay. The Bangla language is our foreign language, but Hindi language is your foreign language. But we can use the language of English to communicate because English is our international language to communicate. It is very easy to communicate each others. And in this meeting, we also learn and introduce the nature of Bangladesh. You also introduce the nature of India. We can understand what is the nature or what is your school. Then what was the river and all the things just like uh, teachers, students, and then teaching skill, teaching method. Then the organization, we just learned that organization is Eco Training Center, Sweden, District Institute of Education and Training, Nasik, Jilla Parishad, Jalgaon, India, and government elementary teachers from Bangladesh government, formal online class with some credit or voluntary teachers associations. Now, style, disconnection, question and answer from each side on a subject, and virtual collaboration on a website. We can use question answer method and virtual collaboration on website also, and discussion method also we can use. Equipment, syllabus, video call platform, webcams, cell phones, laptops, microphone, and headphones. There are a lot of equipments are there mentioned. And time, after class conversation will be held 45 minutes in local language and 45 minutes in English. We can use our local language and learn other local language also. 45 minutes are the two Zoom meetings we are getting now. Share your interaction and record it at your here Google Drive folder or YouTube channel. When just we done this meeting, we record the meeting just like I recorded this meeting, and in the evening I will uh, going to my YouTube channel and send in my YouTube channel, or I save the meeting in my Google Drive folder. Now, what is the social media we can use? We can use YouTube, we can use Zoom, Google Meet, Google Translator, Gmail, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, Facebook Messenger, Twitter. Then we have already done the session number first. The date was 1/7/2 2021. Uh, First, uh, we have a link that pre-registration and pre-awareness test submission. We all submit that link and then the test. The second is present yourself and school life. First session, I and Kishore sir say about our school and life, and then our other members say there that yourself school and school life. Uh, Kishore sir, please use full points for presentation. Please read sir and present your thoughts.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Good afternoon, all of you. First of all, welcome to our collaboration with India and Bangladesh. Can you hear, sir? Hello.
Hello. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can I continue, sir?
Yes, sir.
Today we discuss our school and our culture and about the project. First of all, project. So I joined to collaboration to each other because of my colleagues, Pan Patil sir. He is also conduct the first session, first step. So I will be hope that can we also do this project? Yes, I can opportunity so I came here. So my name is Kishore Eknath Dekade. I am principal in my school. My school name is Madhyamik Vidyalaya Nandra Parlo, Tahsil Jamner, District Jalgaon in Maharashtra. My school is in a rural area. In my school, the standard is 5th to 10th standard in Marathi medium. In my school, there are 10 teacher staff, in which 3 are ladies and 7 are gents. We cooperate with each other in any project. So they help me in my any situation to conduct in my school. First of all, I am myself. I am in BSc B.Ed, BSc Chemistry, my subject. Also, I teach the 8 to 10 standard, that is maths and science. May have also period, that is 24 period I have done in a week. So in which the student have teach to end point. That means in a rural area, no class, no any other reason to have learn, but the poor people have to send their student to learn whatever. But I am in a ground region. I work, so work hard. First of all, in my school is situated in middle. That means high school are around with my school, in which is possible. So a student to in my school, and my 10th standard result is 100% in 5 years. So I am proud of to my all teachers to work hard, and they whatever they have to give the all the students. So thanks. This is for me. Over to Dani sir. Yes, Dani sir.
Thank you, sir. This is our second chance, but you described very well.
Yes,
All
sir.
the Bangladesh
Yes, sir.
teachers that Mr. Principal sir is a very hard worker, and they describe their school and their subject, other information. And now I present myself, Kundan Dani. Uh, My school name is ZP Primary School. ZP means Jilla Parishad Primary School. It is situated at in a travel area. It is on hill station Saputara, near Saputara. My school name is ZP Primary School Balozar, and we are two teachers. One is headmaster, and I am primary teacher. Uh, I work very hard because there is very travel area. In the travel area, there is no mobile range or no vehicle to go my school. There is no way, uh, no, not a good way, not a good road to go my school. There is some river in my school. I study and I teaching in a class 1 to 4 standard. Uh, Math is my favorite subject, and but just 10th standard or the college level student, I like to study teach them because it is very useful me to get higher student teaching. Uh, My normal day is when there is no corona. The situation is online, offline classes. Then I go to class in 10 a.m. and 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. This is my daily schedule, and I teach 1 to 4 standard each and every subject. But I like to teach teachers to train because I am also state level presentation and trainer, state level, national level trainer. I work very hard, and it is my job. I like this. My favorite subject is math. Okay, now moving to Bangladesh teachers, that who is going to present yourself. Just the help of this PPT, just the help of this PPT, just like Kishore sir and I say that where is my school, what is my favorite subject, uh, who is going to tell next in Bangladesh. Yes, Dhar ma'am, can you describe your school? With the help of this PPT, you can unmute yourself and describe your school, your name, your favorite subject.
Okay, sir, can you hear me?
Yes, yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Hello, sir. How are you?
We are fine. How
We
are you,
are
ma'am?
fine, ma'am.
I'm also fine. Thank you, sir. Actually, I'm sorry for late because I had a class in Google Meet with my class 5 students. For this reason, sorry to late. Sir, now I'm
Not mention, ma'am.
describing
Not
myself.
mention. Okay, okay. No mention.
Okay, sir. I'm Jahanara Parveen Lucky. I'm an assistant teacher of a government primary school. The name of my school is Champatpara Government Primary School. It's situated at a hilly area. Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Proceed.
Yes, sir. Actually, the area I live in basically a hilly area, so in my school, my normal day at school was very nice, and we have 7 teachers in our school. 2 are male and other 5, rest of 5 are female teacher. And I am working as an assistant teacher since 2006 in my school. Actually, I want to say something about me. In 2006, I was selected as the divisional best teacher in the department, in recognition of which the government of Bangladesh gave me the opportunity to visit Sri Lanka. On that occasion, I occasionally talk to teachers and students in Sri Lanka. So now I'm very happy to talk with you. Actually, I never talked any Indian teacher. This is my first time, my first experience with Indian teacher. So for this reason, actually, I'm very happy to talk with you.
Thank you, ma'am. We are also the first time, means the second time.
May I also first time,
Really?
ma'am?
Sorry, sir.
May I also first time, ma'am?
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
proceed.
Sir, my favorite subject is English because I love to talk English. I can't speak English fluently, but I always try to speak English fluently. For this reason, I am very much interested to participate in this tele-collaboration program. And I want to know different countries' culture and different countries' education system. For this reason, sir, I have joined this collaboration program. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you,
I
ma'am.
Sir,
come
you are
here.
unmute.
We are also
Sir.
enjoyable because this is our first time to communicate with Bangladesh teachers. But we know the Bangla teachers in India because there is West Bengal. The West Bengal language is also Bangladesh, and uh, I have a little son. He is going to second standard, and all the teachers of the my son is from West Bengal, and they told in Bangladesh. So Bangladesh teachers teach my son. So we know little bit some Bangla language. Okay, thank you,
Bangla.
ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, Bangla.
sir.
So
We can help
little
you,
bit
sir. We
we
can help you if
learn.
you want to speak in Bangla.
আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসো
Sir, আমি তোমাকে
ভালোবাসো বরাবর
আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসি। I love you.
ভালোবাসি হ্যাঁ ভালোবাসি
Sir,
and one word
I
that
love you.
yeah and one word is that they all they say that ki lagbe dada is the famous word in Bangla.
Sorry,
When
sir.
yes ki lagbe dada is the we learn that the sentence
কি লাগবে?
ki lagbe
What you
we
else?
learn
What you
yeah
else?
just little words we learn. Thank you, ma'am. It is great meet with you, and we have done our 15 session with you. It is very good for us, and we learn lot of words from you. Thank you. You have
Okay, thank
experience
you,
about
sir.
the international training, so it is very useful to our partners also. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for participate and
Yes, sir.
to say about your school. Now, two members are remaining, two or three members. They can unmute themselves and say about their school with the use of this PPT. In every session, we can use the PPT. If you want to material of PPT, I share it. Or if you want to make PPT with your own in Bangladesh culture or some culture, I will send it in our group, and you can use this PPT. You can make your PPT also. This is first PPT. Second PPT also I made. You can make another PPT also. Now, who is going to tell the another uh, full describe?
Oh, to Dhar madam.
Oh, Dhar madam, can you speak, ma'am?
Can you hear me?
Hello,
Hello.
sir. Hello, everyone. Good afternoon.
Hello. Good afternoon, ma'am.
I am glad to be a member of India-Bangladesh tele-collaboration project. I am grateful to my fellow teachers. I am Rupanjali Dhar, head teacher of a government primary school. It is in rural area, Hathajari, Chattogram. The Chittagong University is in this Upazila. So my school area is in rural area. I am MA B.Ed. My subject is sociology. I have one son. So long time I am teaching in my school 27 years. My school is very beautiful. There are 5 teachers. All are female. So I enjoy my teaching life. Teaching is my favorite profession. So I teach in my school play to 5 standard classes normally. I take science because I am a subject trainer of science. So I take the class of science every class. My school area is the side of Halda River, Kapsai Road. If you are come in my country, I will introduce my school. So Bangladesh is my subject is my favorite subject Bengali because I live in Bangladesh. So thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. You just invite us to Bangladesh when we have some holidays. Definitely, we are also like to go Bangladesh. Yes, yes, sir.
Dhani sir, we also invite all the Bangladesh our partners. to come
Yes,
India
yes, yes,
and
yes, yes,
see
yes.
our culture.
Okay, okay. After some session, we understand the language of Bangladesh and culture of Bangladesh. Because this is my second session of the. In last session, I also joined with other member. I am just guest was there, not a group leader in or group member. Okay. Now I think some only 4 minutes are remaining. So I think one member also Bangladesh, Mr. Moksum sir, you can unmute yourself and say about your school.
Yeah, yes. Can I hear me? I am
Yes,
Max
yes, sir.
Mohammed.
We are listening, sir. We are listening.
Ji. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Max Mohammed. I am very happy to able to join the session as a assistant teacher at Ujantahipur God Primary School under Sunamganj district. It is situated in Hawar Anchal. And Hawar Anchal. It is a remote area. I am not in Bangladesh. My school. I am in my school. There are 7 teachers. Among them, 2 male and 5 female. There are 200 students in my school. I teach mathematics. My favorite subject is mathematics. I teach them my student mathematics. Thank you very much.
Dhanyawad, sir. It is very good to see all the members at their school. Lot of is various type. Some government school, some other schools. But we all know that we are also some experienced teachers are there. Some good teachers are there. We are just here to know what is our school. In the first session, everyone that you can see registration. Now, the second session we will conduct as soon as possible. But second session will be start with next Zoom meeting. Recording. Okay, I just recording जो
Please
चालू
some introduction to rejoin all the participants.
recording close केली